Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is James from the Research Revolution. I just wanted to make a quick video on these tropical storms slash hurricanes. I haven't seen a prediction of hurricanes hitting the East Coast like almost 2 weeks in advance. And I just wanted to say that it was very fishy. Also, we know that they have more than HARP, but they have HARP, they have NEXRAD, they definitely have chemtrails. And with these, we know that they could use them to either pulse, giving the effect of diminishing or strengthening the storm. This was 2 days ago, and they're saying how these storms will be coming up. It seems like the first one will not be the one that we have to worry about. It seems like the second two, but the biggest one being the third and last one. I just wanted to show you guys some up-to-date radar imaging. It's also weird how the ICANN has been in the news lately. We see that it is taking ownership of pretty much internet censorship into the hands of foreign entities. And on their secondary logo, there is no Florida. Now, I already made a video, or I don't even want to call it a video, just a little update. But we know that there are systems in place that could prevent a catastrophe. At the same time, they're warning Europe of a major catastrophe, and not since World War II have they told citizens to stockpile food and water. Okay? Just in case you guys don't know, these are NEXRAD radar systems. These will be found all over the world. They are on the sites of CIA, government facilities. They're heavily guarded. Usually they're on you need security to access these. And I'm sure that's normal. But why would the Air Force and the Department of War, aka the Department of Defense, be the ones that are in charge of these, if these are just for imaging? Okay? This is a CIA property. They also have these on ships. Okay? So, looking into NEXRAD, because a lot of people know about HARP, but they do not know about NEXRAD. These are the places, the locations that NEXRAD is. Stop that. These are the places that NEXRAD are located. Pretty much everywhere. And on foreign soil, if you've seen a picture, I don't have time to find it, but they are heavily fortified with guns, razor wire. So obviously, this is some sort of weapon. So just like anything else, they'll tell you that it has a good purpose. Meanwhile, they're using it for nefarious purposes. If they have systems in play that can create weather systems and intensify weather systems, then we also know that they could diminish them. Dutch Sense is a very good channel to watch. He is much better than me. He catches pulses, scalar pulses, circle pulses, all kinds of stuff, real time. So I just wanted to make a quick little update on these things and the correlation with the storms that are hitting the west or the east coast. I myself have had visions along with a lot of other people, and it seems like they're preparing this.